Hello and welcome back to Easy English Sip. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. Last time, we helped you confidently chat about the weather. Now, it's so good to have you with us again as we explore new English topics.
Think about it. Have you ever felt that knot of anxiety in your stomach when you're at an international airport? Worried about finding the check-in counter, understanding security instructions, or missing that crucial boarding announcement?
It's a common fear. But imagine this. You walk confidently up to check-in, smoothly manage your baggage, breeze through security, understand every instruction, and calmly board your flight, ready for an amazing journey. This isn't just about catching a plane. It's about confidently beginning your independent journey.
Today, in just 10 to 12 minutes, we're going to give you all the essential English you need to conquer the airport. Let's get ready to fly.
Anna, airports can be exciting, but also a bit overwhelming, right?
Absolutely, Ben. It's those crucial moments, like trying to ask for a window seat or understanding what to do at security, where clear English makes all the difference. Misunderstandings can really throw off your travel plans.
Exactly. That's why today we're breaking down the entire airport experience, focusing on check-in, security, and what happens on board. We'll give you the core words and sentences to navigate each one like a pro.
Let's start at the very beginning, when you first arrive at the airport. First, we have the check-in counter. This is where you confirm your flight.
Right, and you'll need your passport for international flights. After checking in, you'll get your boarding pass, which is your ticket to get on the plane.
For your luggage, there are two types. Checked baggage goes in the plane's cargo, and carry-on luggage stays with you in the cabin. And when choosing your seat, you can ask for a window seat to see outside or an aisle seat if you prefer easy access.
Next, everyone goes through security check. Here, you'll hear instructions about liquids and laptops. Remember, those often need to be taken out of your bag. You'll place your items in a tray or bin to go through the scanner and then walk through the metal detector. Now that we have the key words, Anna, what's the very first thing you say when you walk up to the check-in counter?
Good question, Ben. I always start with a polite request. It's a classic. I'd like to check in for my flight to destination, please. For example, you'd say, I'd like to check in for my flight to London, please. Or, I'd like to check in for my flight to Tokyo, please. That way, they know exactly why I'm there.
Perfect. That's sentence number one. Now, let's say you've checked in, but you're a bit lost. How do you find your gate or the right check-in counter for your connecting flight?
Ah, a very common scenario. For that, you need sentence number 2. Excuse me, where is the airline check-in counter/gate number? You could ask, excuse me, where is the United Airlines check-in counter? Or if you're looking for your boarding gate, excuse me, where is gate B25? It's super helpful.
Definitely. Okay, moving on to security. That can be confusing. What if you're not sure if you need to take out your electronics or liquids?
Instead of guessing, just ask. That's our third sentence. Do I need to take out my laptop/liquids? For example, excuse me, do I need to take out my laptop? Or do I need to take out my liquids? It shows you're being cooperative and proactive, which security staff appreciate. They'll tell you exactly what to do.
Smart. And what about when you finally get to your gate? What's the most important thing to know before you board?
Exactly. So, sentence number 4 is crucial for any gate situation. is my flight number, on time, delayed, canceled? For instance, you could ask, "Excuse me, is my flight B286 on time?" Or, "Is my flight AC001 delayed?" Just pop in your flight number and you'll get the update you need.
Excellent. And finally, let's go back to check-in for a moment. What if you have a strong preference for where you sit on the plane?
You ask for it. Our fifth sentence, "Can I have a window aisle seat, please?" You can say, "Can I have a window seat, please?" Or, "Could I have an aisle seat, please?" A window seat for views, an aisle seat for stretching your legs. Simple, direct, and very effective for getting what you want.
There you have it. 5 must-know sentences that will make your airport experience so much smoother. Okay, Anna, let's bring all these words and sentences to life with a full role play. I'll be the passenger heading to New York, and you'll be the helpful airport staff and my flight attendant.
All right, Ben, I'm ready to get you to New York. Let's do this. Good morning. Welcome. Can I see your passport, please?
Good morning. Yes, here it is. I'd like to check in for my flight to New York, please.
Thank you. Do you have any checked baggage?
Yes, just this one suitcase, and I have this carry-on luggage with me. Can I have a window seat, please?
Certainly. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is A10. Have a good flight.
Thank you so much.
Next in line, please. Please take out your laptop and any liquids from your bag, and remove your shoes.
Okay, so laptop out and liquids too. Do I need to take off my belt?
No, your belt is fine. Just place everything in the tray.
Got it. Like this?
Welcome aboard, sir. Is everything all right? Would you like a drink or a snack?
Excuse me, could I have a glass of water, please? My throat is a little dry. And actually, is this flight on time? I have a connecting flight.
Of course. One moment for your water. And yes, currently we are on time for arrival in New York. We'll make an announcement for your connecting flight information closer to landing.
Oh, that's great news. Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Please enjoy your flight. And just like that, we've navigated the airport from check-in to security and even a little onboard service. Now, let's add some extra sparkle to your airport English with our toolkit.
Absolutely. Let's start with our bonus round for some more useful words. If you have a flight that stops somewhere before your final destination, that's a connecting flight. For example, I have a connecting flight to London. You might need to declare fragile items, meaning easily broken. For instance, could you mark this as fragile, please? And if your suitcase is huge, it could be oversized baggage. You'd ask, where do I drop off oversized baggage? Don't forget, airports often have multiple terminals, big separate buildings, so check which one you need, like which terminal is my flight departing from. Finally, after landing, you'll usually go through customs to declare items.
Great additions, Ben. Now for our special segment, Fluent Phrases from the Hosts. Ben, what's a fun, classic way to say you're taking a short nap, perhaps when your flight is delayed?
Ah, a perfect one for the airport. To catch some Z's. It literally means to have a little sleep. You might hear someone say, my flight's delayed. I'm going to catch some Z's at the gate. It's very casual and common.
Love that. And another one for those long travel days, when you're super tired, what do you say?
You'd say you're running on fumes. This means you're incredibly tired. You have very little energy left, just like a car with almost no gas. So after a long connecting flight, you might say, "I'm totally running on fumes." It perfectly describes that exhausted feeling.
Fantastic! These phrases will definitely make your English more natural. And for our final cultural tip, always, always be polite and clear when speaking with airport staff. If you're unsure about anything, the most polite and effective question is always, "Excuse me, could you help me with this?" They are there to assist you. Also, remember to arrive at least 3 hours early for international flights to avoid stress. And liquids in carry-on luggage are usually limited to 100 milliliters.
And that wraps up our essential guide to navigating the airport in English. We truly hope you feel more confident about your next journey.
We absolutely do, Ben. Before you embark on your travels, let's quickly chat about those key sentences one last time. They'll really help you communicate effectively at any airport.
Definitely, Anna. Remember when you first get to the airport, the most common thing you'll say is, "I'd like to check in for my flight to destination, please." Simple and clear.
And if you're a bit lost or need directions, like finding your gate or the right check-in counter, you'll ask, "Excuse me, where is the airline check-in counter / gate number?" Super useful.
Then, at security, to make sure you're following the rules, a polite question is, "Do I need to take out my laptop / liquids?" No need to guess.
Once you're waiting to board, you'll definitely want to know if your flight is on schedule, so ask, "Is my flight number, on time, delayed, canceled?" It helps you plan.
And don't forget, if you have a preference for your seat, you can always politely request, "Can I have a window / aisle seat, please?" It makes a big difference on a long flight.
Practice these until they're second nature. These are your core tools for a smooth travel experience.
And don't forget our bonus round terms like connecting flight, fragile, oversized baggage, and terminal to expand your vocabulary. These help you describe more complex travel situations.
Finally, add some flair with our fluent phrases. Say, "Catch some Z's for a quick nap," or "running on fumes when you're exhausted from travel." And always, always be polite and ask for help if you need it. "Excuse me, could you help me with this?" These are your secret weapons for smooth travel.
Now it's your turn. The best way to learn is to practice. Tell us in the comments, what's one airport situation that makes you nervous? And how would you use one of today's phrases to handle it? We'd love to read your comments and help you feel even more prepared.
If this lesson helped you feel ready for your next flight, please give this video a like. It helps our community grow and reach more learners. And for more interactive language lessons, make sure you subscribe to our channel, Easy English Sip.
Thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing, safe travels, and we'll see you in the next conversation.